In tonight's video, we're going to look at a possible TR3B that was caught on film. All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. So I know this one's going to be pretty hard to believe. It's a short video, but I'm going to let it play in its entirety. It does have some audio too, and you'll hear a dog crying in the background as they're filming this. So it's about maybe about 20 seconds or so, but clearly you see something flying behind the trees and everything, and it does have a triangular shape. So let me go ahead and let this play, and then I'm going to be back and try to analyze this some. All right, y'all. So slowing this down, if this is legit, this would probably be some of the best evidence we have of something like a TR3B flying triangle. We've heard about this in the late 80s from the Belgian flying black triangle and stuff. We know that this shape resembles a lot of that, being triangular shape. It's got a red dot underneath it, and I've also heard of it having the several lights. This has two in the background of it, and you guys see the way that kind of blends around the tree. So if someone did fake this, they did a really good job of it. Now I know it's blurry, it's distorted, it's at night. Not everyone has the best phone in the world. Matter of fact, I have a cell phone that's about 4 or 5 years old, so I don't keep up with the latest greatest trends on cell phones. But I wanted to get you guys' opinion too. Some of you guys are pretty good experts out there. You see how it passed in front of the car when he filmed that, and then you kind of heard the dog kind of crying too in the background. This would be hard to fake unless this was some kind of special CGI artist or something. And crop dusters at night, they usually have flashing lights and you can hear it. In this video, you couldn't hear it. The only thing you heard was the car driving along, the dog barking, the person filming didn't say anything. Looking at this closer, this is just going to be a still image of it. I still think it's pretty interesting. You see those three lights, one on each one of the corners of a possible triangular shaped craft. You see the light in the middle, and then you see those two lights behind it. Now, if this was a crop duster, we'd probably see like a light flashing or some of the aviation lights. Here it is again. I try to darken it up some so we could try to make out some kind of shape or something for this. Sometimes when we see these at night, it's usually 3 or 4 lights and they kind of form a triangle. They come together to form one, but none of these lights seem to be moving. And here's going to be from another angle with it kind of behind a tree. And like I said, I know I'm going to beat a dead horse. A lot of you guys are talking about it being blurry and distorted, but we have footage. If it's too clear, it's fake. If it's blurry like this, it's fake. So it's kind of a no-win situation sometimes with some of the critics out there, which it is what it is. Everyone's entitled to their own opinion of this. And this shot right here, I slowed it down even more. You can see where it kind of goes behind the trees and stuff. Now, if someone did fake this, they did a really good job of this, but I think that what this is I don't know. Like I said, I have to rule out a crop duster just because of those are mostly airplanes. Those are flying at night, and you hear them and they're not this big. And why would they be spraying over a tree area, especially over a highway like this? And then there's going to be another shot. This is where he's driving and he's still filming it. You guys see it going behind the trees. And then he moves the camera a little bit while he's in his vehicle filming this. There it is right there. So I have to rule out someone going in and just kind of faking this. Could it be some kind of drone or something? I don't know. I'm leaving this up to you guys to kind of put down in the comments what you think about it, because this is some pretty good footage. I know it's blurry, I know it's distorted. You don't hear the craft at all. The person didn't even say anything. I think if it was me, I'd probably be speaking or talking I might have pulled over to the side and got out the car. But then again, sometimes these things just pop up and you don't know what to expect for it when you see stuff like this. And you guys have to remember, a couple of months ago, about several months ago, there was someone who took some photos of what you're seeing here of some lights at night. They first saw these 3, then they saw another light. And it kind of reminds me of this video I just showed to you guys. And then when I went into this, if you guys remember on that video, I have kind of lightened the footage up some so we can try to make out some type of shape, because it was completely black in the background. So this one you can't tell too much, but this next one you can see it was kind of cube shaped. You guys can see that there. So pretty interesting stuff. So I'm not ruling out anything with this, especially after this photo here, that when I photo enhanced it looked a little bit better and you can make out a shape. Now this last one I'm going to show to you, someone was taking a video of the ocean and they saw a craft and they tried to zoom in on it. So I'm going to let this play. There's no audio or anything, but you guys can see this here. They're out here, they're filming, they see something in the far distance. So what they do is they try to zoom in on it. And it does have the typical saucer shape. And then they're going to zoom out on it, and then it's just going to kind of disappear. Now I'm going to slow it down here for you guys that are like me, that kind of want to analyze this and stuff. It's very faint in the background. It's very hard to see. But once they start to zoom in, you see this. Now we know that a lot of these craft do appear over oceans. We heard of USOs as well. And this could possibly be that, but this does have the typical flying saucer shape. Actually, it looks more like an ARV in some ways, where it's got a flat bottom, probably and a round top. But quick video evidence too of something else that people are putting out there and they're talking about. So I wanted to present this all to you guys to get your opinions and stuff on it. So as always, put your comments down below of what you think was. I think both of these video footage is pretty good, especially this one here. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share this with your friends, and I'll see you guys in the next video. As always, I appreciate you watching.